Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel in Technology. So without wasting our time, let's start today's session. So in last video, we were developing our cancellation page, having the extension .html. So in this video, we will continue that page. So on opening that page in Sublime Text Editor, okay, and follow me from line number 67. Okay, opening of div tag with the class attribute having the value container. Inside this div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute having the value cancellation top 2, and inside this we will have an s3 tag with the content enter your booking details. Enter your booking details. After s3 tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute with the value dflex flex wrap justify content center. Dflex flex wrap justify content center. Okay, now inside this div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute with the value p4, and inside this we will have an input tag with the type attribute having the value text, and name attribute will be, actually in cancellation page we should have ticket number, so type must be number, and name will be ticket number. Actually name attribute is not required in front end, it is used usually in backend part, so not necessary to discuss upon name attribute in this video. And after name we will have placeholder attribute with the value ticket number. Okay, after input tag, and also there will be a class attribute with the value form control. Okay, after that we will have p4. After that div tag will be closed, that is opened at line number 71. So we will have another div tag, the same class attribute, so we will copy this just below, and in this we will have button tag. With the type button, no type is required, just name attribute is required with the value submit. And as usual we would not discuss about the name attribute much more in this video. When we will discuss, when we will working on backend part, then this discussion will be more meaningful. So This is it. Button name submit, a class will be form control and p4, and the value will be submit. No, it should be cancel ticket. Okay, now div tag will be closed for one time, and then there will be form attribute. Okay, left it, form attribute. Form tag will be discussed later. There will be div tag. We are developing front-end part, so front-end part there is no concept of, there is no any use of div form tag. We will discuss later on in later videos. Okay, div tag, div 3 times, 1 2 4. Okay, save it and open the cancellation.html file. Okay, yes, as you can see, yes, there is a problem here. The color of button should be, the background color of button should be as same as navigation bar. So we should provide another class called bgdanger in the button class, button tag, bgdanger. That's it. Now save it, and on refreshing the page, so this is it. Another change is required, that is the color of text should be white and it should be bold. So for this, just provide one class called text light and font weight bold, font weight bold. So that's it. You can type ticket number, and on pressing the cancel ticket, there will be a response or a message in the form of text, that is your ticket is cancelled, and in the backend ticket will be cancelled. So this is it for this video. Now our front-end part is complete by this section, by this page. So I would like to sum up all the work that I have done so far in last videos of front-end. Okay, so we have developed bus ticket page. As you can see, this is bus ticket page where you can book ticket. We have developed bus ticket page, and there is a rpool page. Okay, not rpool.html is not working, so there is a little mistake. So we need to, I think we don't have properly linked bus ticket page with rpool.html file. Okay, bus hire, no, also not connected, help not connected, print not connected, and cancel not connected. Okay, so in this video we will try to connect all these links with this bus ticket page. So open bus ticket.html file, and yes, as you can see, there is no HTML file is added in the href attribute of anchor tag, available on line number 26. So bus ticket.html, and same as previous, rpool.html and bus hire.html. So likewise you need to add the name of file with the HTML extension in href attribute of anchor tag for every anchor tag in which we want to create connections with that HTML file with bus ticket file. Okay, print ticket.html. Actually, we don't have created print ticket HTML file. We will create it later on, not a big deal. And this is cancellation that we have created just now. Okay, anything more else to connect? No, that's over. Now come to busticker.html on facing the page, and now this link should work. So as you can see, we will be directed to the rpool.html file and bus hire. Yes, they will we have redirected to the bus hire page. And last one is print sms. No, this actually print ticket.html file is not created, so we will create it later on. And cancellation page. Yes, now all file is linked with the bus ticket.html file. Now from rpool we need to check it. Bus ticket, yes. Bus hire, yes, that's good. And from bus hire page, bus ticket, no. rpool, no. Manage booking, no. My account, it is not working. Really, actually it should work, but it is not working. Okay, we will deal in later videos. On summing, we can say that our front-end part is complete now, and from next video we will start the backend part of this website online reservation system, and we will start from here. On clicking the boarding station and destination station and date of journey on, and after clicking on search buses page, you can redirect it to the list of buses that are available on that specific date and destination station. So we will do that later in next video. Okay, in this video that's good. The page is fully responsive, as you can see on the screen. Yes. So first of all, let me connect bus hire page to the bus ticket page. Okay, open bus hire page, bus hire.html file. Yes, and link other file with this file. Bus ticket dot html rpool.html bus hire .html and okay, that's good. Now refresh the page, and now this page should redirect. Sorry, this link should redirect. rpool, yes, working. And manage booking we will see later. Okay, I think it should be solved right now. So in manage booking we need a drop down menus. Okay, do one thing, I am doing right now. Class will be drop down, and drop down toggle will be, and data toggle will be drop down. Data toggle will be drop down. Class drop down, and here drop down toggle. After that, we will have an div tag with the class attribute, drop down menu, and anchor tag will be drop with the class attribute with the value drop down item. And here manage booking cancel ticket. Link will be cancellation.html. Sorry, cancellation.html. Okay. Copy this line of code. Print ticket. Print ticket dot html. Okay, now save the changes and see the result first. Yes, that's good. Cancel ticket and print ticket is working. And the problem is that this arrow should be here, but it is here. So I should solve this first. What were the codes? Actually, I forgot. Actually, I do it later. No problem. So wait a minute. 18. Okay. I think I should start the PHP part from the next video. So this is it for this video. Thank you, and see you in next video.